What's up guys, it is K2Face here. In this video I will be showing you how to upload decal onto Roblox and show you how to apply it in, for example, Bloxburg. Um, so in this usage case I'm playing Bloxburg and I want to use a graffiti, but they don't have a lot of graffiti when I search it up. So first we're gonna have to go down to create in Roblox after you've gotten your image, of course. I'm going to go to creations, if you see that. Then you want to go into the development items, and here, okay, wait, I think my head isn't working. Then we're going to press decals right here, and you want to press upload assets. Then once you're in assets, you're going to want to press graffiti, your image, press open, press here. And then you want to just name it whatever you want. It doesn't really matter too much. I'll call it graffiti 1 and upload. And then I'm going to go press on your decal. Press copy asset ID. Alright. You want to press here, or in Roblox or whatever, and you can open up your oh my gosh, I'm in the way again. Then you want to paste in your asset ID by pressing Control V, and then you'll paste in your asset ID. And yeah, of course this needs a bit of stretching and stuff, but yeah, that's just how you make the decals and stuff. Just a quick video showing you how to upload assets decals in 2026, made by K2Face. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe or something if you feel like I deserve it. Anyways, thank you guys for watching and have a good one.